Hello, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. Thanks so much for joining us today. Welcome to the Page Pros Account Management Training videos. With this video, what we're going to be going over is how to properly onboard a client and get access to a client's Google My Business profile. So there's a couple different steps that we follow in order to gain access, and we're going to break that down here. So, I'm assuming that what's going on right now is that you're on the phone with your customer and you're speaking to them. And so, what we now need to do is we now need to get the customer to onboard us as a manager on their Google My Business profile. So, we're simply going to instruct the customer to search their business on Google. Okay. And there's going to be one thing that we want to ensure that they do. So, what we want to do is we need to find out what kind of device they're going to be searching on. So, in this video, we're going to be showing how to get access using a desktop or a laptop computer. So, first thing that we want to instruct them to do is go onto their computer and simply just go to google.com or google.ca. It's all the same, both work the exact same way. Once they have done that and once they have got there, we then need to instruct them to ensure that they are logged into the Gmail account that is associated on their Google My Business profile. And the way that they're able to do that is simply by clicking up in the top right here. You'll see the little icon. And so we need to make sure that they are logged into the Gmail that's associated with their profile. Some people may not know this, and that's okay. So we just need to get them to log into whatever Gmail that it is, and we're going to find out if it's the one that has access. So once they've done that and they've logged into their accounts, very simply, what we need them to do is search their business name on Google. And so once they've done that, if they are logged into the email that manages their Google My Business profile, what they're going to see is these features and functions over on the left-hand side here. So you'll see over here where it says your business on Google. So because I'm logged into the email that manages this profile, it's now unlocked me with all the manager functions and features. And so this is what we need to ensure the customer sees. So we're simply just going to ask them, once they search their business name, so do you see where it says your business on Google over on the left-hand side? Now, if they do, great. We'll get there in a minute with the next steps. If they don't, we then need to discover why. And so there could be a couple different things on why that is. One being that maybe that email that they logged into is not the email that's associated with their profile. So we can simply just ask them if they have another Gmail account that they use or maybe have used in the past that might be the email that set up their profile. So simply just instruct the customer to try and log into that email to see if that's the email that manages the profile. Once you've done that, and if they try again and they get access, great. We'll move on to the next steps there in a second. If for whatever reason that isn't it, what we're going to be able to do is look into just a couple different things here. And so sometimes what you're going to see right here, beside where it says edit your business information, it's going to say own this business. Okay. And so if it says own this business, you're simply just going to click on it. And once you click on it, what it's going to say is, and let me take a look here to see if we can get it to go like this. Perfect. Okay. So I simply just logged into another Gmail account that's not associated with the profile. And what we see here is own this business. So now what it's doing here is it's telling me the first two letters of the email that owns or manages the Google My Business profile. So I'm then going to instruct the customer and let them know, hey, the email that it says manages your profile is the email that starts with these two letters, da 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 da. Um, After this, they should know by then which email that it is that obviously manages the profile, and they will be able to log into it and get access back to their profile. Okay, so once they've gotten access back into their profile, we're going to follow through with the next steps on how they can add us as a manager. So let's go back to the screen here where we have the Your Business on Google, assuming that we have them logged in. So a lot of times you're on the phone with the customer, and so you're not going to be able to see their screen. So how we're going to guide them is simply just by saying, so do you see where it says Your Business on Google on the left-hand side? Yes, I do. Now over to the right of that, do you see where it says Profile Strength? I do. Great. Now to the right of that, you're going to see three little dots there. Do you see those? Yep. Okay, great. So just click on those for me, please. Perfect. And then click on Business Profile Settings. Perfect. And then click on Managers. Perfect. Okay. And so what you're going to need to do there is click on Add. Choose the level of access that you'd like to give us, which is just manager access. We only need manager access. This way that our clients and the businesses can add and remove people as they please. So we only need manager access. So simply just put in the email that we're going to instruct them basically just to input the email. And obviously every one of our clients always adds the email info@pagepros.io. This is the main email that we stay up to date with managing all of our clients with. So have them add the email info@pagepros.io. And then once they're done doing that, they simply just click invite. And then once they click invite, that's then going to send an email to the info@pagepros.io email, very simply to the one I'm about to show you here in a moment. And so let's take a look here. We'll go find a email. So right here. So it's going to say here, let's find an email where it says you have been invited. Okay, so your request has been sent. Invited. Invited you. Perfect. Okay, here we go. So you received an invitation. So Tina Kalisa invited info@pagepros.io to manage Kalisa Group. So we're going to go into the email, click accept. And because you've already accepted this one, it's just going to say you already have access to this account. If we don't have access, it's just going to say manage this account, click to accept, right? Okay. So once we've done that, then we go back in and now we have manager access to the account. So if we go on the Kalisa Group, which we did a little bit earlier today, we're going to be able to see Page Pros as a manager on the Google My Business account. Voila, that's done. So that is how you gain manager access on a Google My Business profile. And so very simple, couple easy steps that you have to go through, nothing too crazy. And if you do have any questions or you're running into any roadblocks or dealing with any unfamiliar things or anything like that, please just communicate, with your manager or with your team lead, and I'm sure that they're going to be able to guide you through any of the processes or any of the things that you're going to need assistance with. So that is it for today. That really kind of just covers this video on what we were looking to get done today, which was just showing you how to get our clients to add us as managers on the Google My Business profile. This is obviously the first step that we take with working with our clients. And it's what we need to do in order for us to begin work to get everything going. So that's it for today. Thanks you so much for joining this training video. Again, if you have any questions or if you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to your manager or your team lead so that you can get all the assistance that they need. Okay? Thanks so much. All the best. Have a great day. Bye.